Now we are going to see about K. Okay, this is a capital A and this is small a. Okay, now we are going to write capital A. Okay, just make it a straight line like this. Okay, from half you can make a line like this, slanting line, and one more slanting line to upwards. Okay, the first slanting line from the upwards and another slanting lines from downwards to upward. Okay, the same procedure to write the small k. Straight line from upward to downward and downward to upward. Okay, this is a capital K and this is a small k. K for kitten. Okay, what is kitten? Do you all know what is kitten? Yes, the puppy of cat is kitten. You all love kitten. Yes, in my home also there are a lot of kitten. I will show you one time. Okay. Now we are going to write K. Okay, but now we are going to write K in boxes. If you hear the K sound. For example, listen. What is this? Kettle. Say loudly. Kettle. Okay, if it begins with K, if you're hearing the K sound, kettle, yes. So I'm going to write K in this box. Okay. Tell me, what is this? Yes, it's lion. Okay, do you hearing any K sound? No. Very good. Okay, what is this? Kangaroo. Do you hearing any K sound? Kangaroo. Tell me loudly. Kangaroo. Yes. Do you hearing the K sound? Okay. Shall I write K here? Okay. Good. Okay. Who is he? He having the crown. Who is he? Yes. He's a king. Yes. He's a king. So, do you hearing any K sound? You not hearing any K sound? Okay. Tell me loudly. King. 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 If you hearing any K sound? Yes. Very good. So, shall I write K here? Yes, correct. Okay. Next, what is this? You all love this, isn't it? You all having this or not? Okay, if you not have, you can buy it or you can make it yourself. Okay, it's very easy to make it. You can make it yourself. Okay, what is this? Kite. Tell me loudly. Kite. Okay, what is, if you are hearing any K sound? You can hearing any K sound from the kite? You know why you're not hearing? Just tell me loudly. Kite. Kite. What is the starting sound? Ka. What is the sound of K? Ka. Very good. Shall I write K here then? Yes. Okay. What is this? Key. Very good. Everybody is telling the right answer. Very good. Key. Tell me loudly. Key. What is the starting sound? Key. K sound. Yes. So, I'm going to write K. Okay. So, I'm going to tell you, this is a capital K and this is a small k. K for kitten. And what is the sound of the K? Ka. What is the sound of the K? Ka. 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 Kettle. Kaka kangaroo, kaka king, kaka kite, kaka key. Yes, isn't it? These all pictures starting with the K sound. So only we have written K in that particular boxes. Do you all understand? Okay, shall I test you? What is the sound of K? Very good. What is the sound of K? No, I am not hearing. Some of them are blabbering. Okay, one more time. Just together tell me correctly. What is the sound of K? Ka. Very good. Very good. Give a cheer up. Give a cheer up. Okay, and good thumbs up. Okay, now we are moving to the next letter. Now we are going to see about L. Okay, this is a capital L and this is a small l. L for lizard. Do you all afraid about lizard? Okay, where is lizard? Where will you see the lizard? You will see the lizard in or on the wall. Yes, the lizard is on the wall. Very good. Okay, now we are going to write the capital L. Okay, just put a straight line like this, and from the bottom of the straight line, just make it a one sleeping line. Simple. Okay, one more time I am telling children, see correctly. Okay, one straight line like this. Okay, at the end of the straight line, you are starting the sleeping line. Okay, that's it. Okay, the small L is very easy. You can just put like a one. Okay, just draw a one straight line. Okay, now we are going to circle the picture that start with I sound. One more time I am telling, listen carefully children. Circle the pictures that start with the I. Circle the pictures that start with the L sound. Okay, one more time I am telling, circle the pictures that start with L sound. Okay, you all know what is this? Lamp. Okay, tell me loudly, lamp. Tell me loudly, lamp. Okay, did you hearing any sound like L sound? Yes, did you hearing the L sound? Very good. Shall I circle the picture? Yes, very good. What is the sound of the L? La. What is the sound of the L? La. Okay, what is this? Lion. Okay, you all get afraid, isn't it, by seeing the lion? Okay, did you see a lion anywhere? Did you see lion in zoo? Okay, okay. What is the starting sound? Say lion, lion. Loudly, lion. Do you hearing any L sound? If you hear any L sound, you can say S. If you're not hearing any L sound, you said no. Very good. Many of us telling yes. Okay. If it yes, you can make a circle. I am not going to make a circle. Just make it a circle by using your hand. Just make it a circle along with me. Circle, 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 circle. Okay. Very good. Very good. Okay. Next one. Okay. What is this? What is this? You all like it. Yes, it is very good. Yeah, everybody is telling a correct answer. You all love lollipops. Okay. Shall we tell loudly? Lollipop. Lollipop. I too love lollipops. Okay. Do you hearing any L sound? Yes. Okay. Shall I circle it? Yes. Okay. See next one. What is this? What is this? Ladder. Okay. You're having ladder in your home, isn't it? I knew that. Okay. Ladder. Tell me loudly. Ladder. Tell me loudly. Ladder. Do you hearing any sound? Do you hearing any L sound? Yes. So shall I make a circle? Okay. I'm going to make a circle. Okay. See here. What is this? Leaf. Leaf. Okay. Do you hearing any L sound? If you hear L sound, you can make a circle. Okay. Next one. What is this? Okay, you have to find out this animal. If it starts with L sound, you make a circle. If it don't, you don't want to make a circle. One more time I am telling children, listen carefully. If this animal starting with L sound, you can make a circle. If it not, you don't make a circle. Okay? Okay, now one more time I am telling, this is a capital L, this is a small L, L for lizard, and what is the sound of the L? What is the sound of the L? Some of them are telling, some of them are very lazy, naughty fellows. Just be brisk. What is the sound of the L? Yes, correct. Okay, together we are going to say, what is the sound of the L? La, la. La, la, lamp, la, la, lollipop, la, la, ladder. Okay, do you now get the correct sound of the L? Now we are moving to the next letter. Okay, next we are going to see about M. Why you all looking very lazy? Okay, shall we do a exercise? Shall we do sit stand? Okay, are you enjoying this? Okay, shall I tell? Sit, sit, stand, stand, sit, sit, stand, jump, 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 jump on the floor, jump, sit, jump, sit, stand, sit, stand, sit. Okay, very good. Well done, well done. Everybody is doing very well. Okay, now we are going to read M. Okay, what is this? This is a capital M and this is small m. M for monkey. Okay, you all see the monkey? Did you all see the monkey? Yes, okay. Many of them telling yes. Okay, what is the monkey's favorite food? What is the monkey's favorite food? Banana. Yes, monkey loves banana. Okay, super. Okay, shall I write capital M? Okay, write along with me. Okay, just draw a straight line from upwards or from top to bottom. It's up to you. I'm just drawing a straight line from top to bottom, and from the top I'm going to make a slanting line. Okay, from the end of the slanting line I'm going to make a slanting line through upward like this. Okay, again from this end I'm going to draw a straight line. Okay, if you feel any difficult to write M, I'm having some shortcut. You can also follow that shortcut. Okay, just draw a straight line like this, 1 and 2. Okay, now just connect it with like this V. This is very easy comparing the before. Okay, now I'm going to write small m. Make a straight line and just bend it and go down, and again take a reverse and just bend it and go to downwards. This is small m. Shall I write small m one more time? Okay, just put a straight line like this and take a U-turn like this. Okay, again going reverse, again taking the U-turn like this. Okay, very good. M for monkey. What is the sound of M? You want me to tell clue? Okay, if your mother giving any food which does not like, what will your reaction? Okay, the sound of the M is same. What is the sound of the M? Very good. Okay, now we are going to circle the image that start with M sound. Okay, okay, what is this? Do you all know what is this? Moon. Where will you see the moon? Yes, sky. At what time do you all see the moon? On morning? No. On afternoon? No. On night? Yes. Very good. Okay. We all say moon loudly. We are going to say moon loudly. Say moon. 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 Okay. Do you all hearing any M sound? Very good. You all hearing the M sound. Shall I make a circle? Okay. We will sing in a circle. Circle, circle, circle it. Circle, circle, circle it. Okay. Okay. Do you all know what is this? This is a ball. Okay. But it does not have M sound. Okay. What is this? Tree. No, it's not a tree. What is this? Tell me clearly. Mushroom. Do you all love to eat mushroom? Yes, I too love to eat a mushroom lot. Okay, it's also having a good proteins. You can eat a lot mushrooms. Okay, tell me mushroom loudly. Mushroom, mushroom, mushroom. Do you hearing any M sound? Yes. Okay, shall I make a circle? Okay, sing a song together. Circle, circle, circle it, circle, circle, circle it. Okay. Now, next, what is this? Mat. What is this? Mat. We all have mat in our home entrance, isn't it? Okay. You all hearing any M sound? If you hear any M sound, make a use of your hand. Use your four fingers and make a circle like this on top of your mobile. If you're hearing any M sound, you can make a circle using this forehand on your phone or laptop or MacBook, anything. Okay, what is this? Yes, mangoes. Do you all love mango? Yes, I too love mango. What is the color of the mango? Yellow. Very good. The color of the mango is yellow. Very good. Okay. If you are hearing any M sound, no. Why no? Okay, tell me loudly. Mango, mango, mango. Do you hearing any M sound? Yes. Okay, shall I make a circle by singing our circle song? Yes. Okay, come along together and make a circle. Circle, circle, circle it, circle, circle, circle it, circle, circle, circle it. Very good. We did a good job. Okay, one more time. I am just telling, this is a capital M. This is a small m. M for monkey. What is the sound of M? What is the sound of M? Okay. Moon, which begins with M sound. Mushroom begins with M sound. Mango begins with M sound. Okay. What is the next letter? You're thinking. Okay. Shall we sing a song? A, B? Alphabet song? Okay. Shall we sing? Okay. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M. What is the next letter after M? Very good. N. Okay, now we are going to see about N.